Hi everyone, I'm Jen and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download fonts off of the website and install them in Design Space. The website I'm going to visit is dafont.com, so just keep in mind that it's for personal use only. I can make another video discussing fonts and buying licenses when you plan on using them for projects that you're going to sell. So I know Design Space has a ton of fonts, but if you're anything like me, you're constantly on the lookout for what's the newest, cutest, latest font, and you want to download it right away if you can't identify it. So that's what this video is for. I'm gonna help feed the addiction. All right, so let's get started. So the first thing I did was just open up my browser, and I just want to make a note that I am working on a MacBook Air, just in case it makes a difference. And when you come here, you'll see that on the home page, they have all fonts separated by categories, and then recently added fonts are right here on the home page. I like this second one that says Fearlessly, so I'm going to go ahead and download that. And once I download, I have it go to a font. I created a font folder specifically for this video, so I'm just going to minimize this and make sure that you are not in Design Space and that Design Space is completely closed. Now, when I open up my folder with the fonts, you'll see that fearlessly.zip is what appears. So I'm going to just double click on that, and it unzipped it. And what you're left with is TTF, which is a font file. So what you want to do is double click on the font TTF, on the file TTF, and it's going to show you what the font looks like, uppercase, lowercase, and the number. So this is what's included. You're simply going to hit install font. You're going to see it showed up here with my list with all the rest of the fonts that I have downloaded. So now we are going to close out and we are going to open up Design Space. And it's starting up. I'm going to click on sign in. Just to make it simple, I will click on new project. I'm going to hit text. I'm just going to type my name. And as always, it just defaults to Cricut Sans. And what you're going to do to look for your new font is you can open up fonts and start typing the name Fearlessly, and as you can see, popped up. So there is my new Fearlessly font that I just downloaded, and that's how you install it in Design Space. And if you want to take it a step further, this one is a little bit scripty. I've covered this in past videos, but just in case, let's say you want to connect your letters, I always come over here to the letter space tab and type in -1 because it's always a good place to start. And you'll see it easily connects almost all the letters. Sometimes you have to play around depending on the font. Sometimes it's perfect. Sometimes you have to play with it a little bit. And in this scenario, I'm going to keep it on the line here. It's all selected. I'm going to click on More, Advanced, Ungroup, because I see that these aren't exactly where I want them to be connected. So I can slide that over. I can select these two at the same time. I can move that over. And here we go. In order to keep it all together like that, I just click and drag to select it all, click on Weld, and now you have one name that's going to cut all together and connected. And that's it, guys. So it's pretty simple to install your font onto Design Space. Okay, everyone, I hope you enjoyed that video and you found it helpful and that now you're encouraged to go out there and get a ton of new fonts for your upcoming projects. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. This way you'll know exactly when I release a new video. Again, thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.